back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe now down below. Today we are going to be working with the MORPHE, what is the 39S, such a gem palette. I've played in this before. I really love the colors. Yeah, it's just these beautiful colors right here. So let's dive in and see what we create. So I first start with my primer on my eyelids. Doesn't really matter what primer I use. Everybody has their own specific kind they like to use. This little cream color right here, and we're gonna put it down for the base. I say like a deep purple, like this one right here. And we're gonna put that into the crease. Will be this side right here, this weird purpley pink color. Now let's work on our cut crease we are going to be developing now. And I use a flat brush, like an edge brush. And I'm using a different concealer this time. Most of the time I use Tarte Shape Tape. But today we are using NARS. Dip right into it. It's like a pink purple. We're gonna dip into that. Put it right. Alright, so I did a mixture of a silver and this color here. Put the mid part right here. And then I put this cream shimmer right here up and around. Now I'm gonna dip into that, this color here. And put it right here along the eyelash line a little bit. Just make it a little pop a little bit more. Where we're transitioning to the more pink. Dipped into this pink shimmer color and then this bold pink. Purple color again right here, like pink purple color. I'm just gonna fade it up here to my brow bone so it blends in better. Right now it's pretty bold. I'm gonna dip into this hot pink color over here. Now we are going to bring these colors down below into this color here. Now I'm going to dip into this blue purple color here. I want to put some of this Extreme Frost in the middle of my eyelids to make it pop some more. It's very, very glittery. It is JEFFREE Star product, so it's very glittery. See this? Okay. Okay, I'm gonna put some setting spray on my finger. I'm gonna dip in. So, further applying this shit on, I realized it looks way better all over. I would have known. I didn't think this was gonna happen. Oh, and look at that. See that? That's good. Some good stuff. Alright, we'll dive into that later. I'm gonna be right back and put some eyeliner on. I want to put some eyeliner on and I'll be right back. So it is time now to put some concealer underneath our eyes. I think so. Looking about right. Alright, let's get to dabbing. Alright, so we're gonna contour our nose. I heard about this method with the tweezers and taking some powder. I'm gonna take some brown powder. I'm gonna use Toasty by Kylie. Hopefully this works. If it doesn't, then we'll just screw ourselves. Yeah, we're gonna bake a little bit. I'm almost out of this powder. And I use Lily eyelashes. These are already cut to the right length of my eyelids. So dry, kind of blend it through so it fits my eyelid. Holy. So we got one eyelash on. Time to put the next one on. So I really don't use the thin piece of this. I kind of just swipe the, you know, the wand part on it. I don't use the brush. For some weird reason, it just works better in my opinion. We all have different methods, so. Alright guys, we got the eyelashes on now. We are looking fire. Face now. I already had, you know, foundation on. My eyebrows are already on, so just gonna dip my Pro Contouring brush. It's 97. It's the Sephora one, or I mean 79. My bad. So I kind of lied earlier. We weren't completely done with the eyes. I forgot. White eyeliner really makes it pop more. And we're gonna put it right here on the outer. My bad. We're gonna be taking some blush. This is called Heather Pop. It's Clinique. It's great stuff. So let me pop this on my cheek. Or like highlighters in my opinion. And I really just want to pop on we'll pop on this one right here. I love this color. Yeah. We're gonna apply some of this JEFFREE Star. It's called Diva. We're gonna put a little bit of Diva on our lips. We're kind of like creating an ombre look, but we're going to be using the gloss. This is Succulent. That's what it is. Oh, I really like this color because look, it's like underlying pink with like blue glitter shimmers in it. It's beautiful. But this is the look. Yeah, tell me what you think about the whole look I just created. It's very pretty.